Hi, hello, namaste, welcome to Havilah Elsha kitchen. Today we are preparing Oats Almond Pancake or Banana Oats Pancakes recipe. It's very delicious and healthy and very yummy recipe, and here are the ingredients. Oats 1 cup, almonds 20 to 30, sugar 1 tablespoon, salt a pinch, cinnamon powder half teaspoon, coconut medium piece, egg 1 number, banana 1 number. You can have a look at the ingredients once. Oats, almonds, cinnamon powder, sugar, salt, egg, 1 frozen banana and coconut. Take a mixing jar, add 1 cup of oats and make a fine powder of it and transfer this powder into a new bowl. Again in the same mixing jar, add 25 to 30 almonds and make them into powder and add this powder to the oat mix and mix well. Once again take the mixing jar, add small pieces of coconut, add small cup of water and make a fine paste, keep this aside. Now take new bowl, add 1 frozen banana and make a fine paste out of it using fork. Add 1 egg, a small pinch of salt, half teaspoon cinnamon powder and 1 tablespoon of sugar, and whisk it well until the mixture is combined well. Now add coconut paste and mix well. Then add oats and almond powder. And again mix well. If you find the consistency too thick, you can add some water till you get it like a dosa batter. This is the right consistency. I have 3 types of mold, but I usually go with regular round shape. However, I prepare one using the teddy mold since my daughter needs that. Okay, on the mold, add butter. Once it's melted, add batter. Now add batter. And roast on both sides. And once prepared, take the pancakes into your fresh plate and place a small cube of butter. Pour some honey and place peanut butter if available. Wow, it's too delicious. The pancakes are now ready to be eaten. Thanks for watching our video. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram, Havilah Elsha Kitchen. Bye bye.